On East 233rd Street, New York Senator Jamaal T. Bailey's annual barbecue community tradition continues to bring people together. The event's organizers say promoting unity and support for local families is a priority, especially for those who rely on essential services for them and their family's well-being.
Right now, everything is at stake.
Hundreds of attendees gather under no admission charge, with more than 20 local organizations and businesses also lending a helping hand. Featuring food, music, and activities for all ages, as well as vital resources such as health screenings, employment services, and educational support.
You can have neighbors that never meet each other. We try to break that down year after year so that we can have that true sense of community that we've always had in the North Bronx and Mount Vernon, and that we continue to cultivate it, right?
New York representatives commending Senator Bailey for his commitment to upholding community values through initiatives such as this.
He's an outstanding leader in this state, so when he's having a party, you want to be there with him.
A study by the National Institute of Justice finds that community engagement programs like these reduce crime rates by up to 20% and can improve mental health. Partners of the event say that they're proud to continue the legacy of bringing the community together to provide essential resources.
It's a wonderful community event. Senator Jamaal Bailey hosts it every year. It's a wonderful turnout, a wonderful celebration of community and the summer and fun, and it's just such a great time. So I love being here.
When you're looking at areas throughout the Bronx, if it's not our open spaces and our parks, the other way we get to show one another love is by community building at our local events.
In Van Cortlandt Park, BronxNet Community Television, I'm Chris Camella.